Write the answer whether I am audible and visible to everyone or not. Sir. Okay, we were in chapter number 5, shapes and designs. We were discussing this, isn't it? Okay, now come to math magic. Come to math magic. We were discussing shapes and designs, and up to page number 65 we have completed, isn't it? Up to page number 65 we have completed. Up to page number 65 we have completed. In page 65 there was a table, and in that table some things were given, and you have to write the number of edges and the number of corners they have, isn't it? See page number 65, everyone see page number 65. The first thing was given to you was dice. Here it is written die, but actually it is dice, D-I-C-E, dice. And for the dice there are 12 edges and 8 corners. Second is ball. Ball, there are 0 edges and 0 corners, because the ball is curved, that's why it is 0 edges and 0 corners. Then the third one was eraser. Eraser, it is a cuboid, so the same as cube, that means it has 12 number of edges and 8 corners. Cube and cuboid both have the same number of edges and same number of corners. Okay. Then egg, next one was egg. Egg, it has 0 number of edges and 0 number of corners. Then the last was sheet of paper. The last one was sheet of paper. Sheet of paper, it has 4 number of edges and 4 number of corners. Okay, that means 4 corners and 4 edges for sheet of paper. The next question was, you have to give a tick marks for the things which have corners, and I think you have given the tick mark in the yellow figure, then green, then brown, and again the light brown, isn't it? You have given the tick mark in these figures, and the curved lines are for the purple, the pink and the circle, that one. 3 are curved lines. So this already we have done, isn't it? And there was one more question, that using only straight line can you draw figure which has no corners? It is impossible, isn't it? That by using the straight lines you cannot draw a figure, because the straight line must be corner, must have corner. Okay. Now come to page 66. Everyone come to page 66. Shauri, switch off your front camera. Shauri Hajra, switch off your front camera. Fatima also, switch off your front camera, otherwise my voice and it will not be clear to you. Now come to page 66. This is about tangram. I am reading the book, you just go through it. Okay. See, the tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. This is a type of puzzle. From the pieces of the tangram, we can make many shapes of animals, people and things. See, by these shapes you can make different things like animals, different shapes like animals, people and things. At the back of the book you will find a square like the one in this figure. Cut it out carefully and cut the pieces. This set of 5 pieces is called the 5-piece tangram. See, there are 5 pieces in the tangram at the back side of your book. Okay. It is told to cut it out with the help of the scissor, and you draw or you just frame different shapes. and this set of 5 pieces is called the 5-piece tangram. Okay. Now use these 5 pieces to make the following figures. Now cut out that part, that 5 pieces, and you just join them so that you can get these pictures. Okay. You can get these pictures, like the first one is like a mountain, then second one is a bird, like this. Okay. Join the pieces, you will get this type of shapes. Now come to page number 67. Page number 67. Fatima, just switch off your front camera. Switch off your front camera. If you are not able to do, tell to your parents. Take the help of your parents. Yes, come to page number 67. The first question. How many triangles do you have in your set? Are all of them equal in size? Find out. This is the first question. That means whatever pieces you have cut from the back side, so in that pieces, how many are triangles? That you have to answer. Can you write over the chat box? How many triangles you are getting from that 5 pieces? From that 5 pieces, how many triangles you are getting? Yes, Dhriti has written 3, Tawfiq is also writing 3, Sankalan is writing 3, Ankon, Sourish, all are writing 3. Yes, the answer is 3 triangles you are getting. Sorry, 3 triangles you are getting from that 5 pieces of tangram. Then next is, are all of them equal in size? Is it? Answer it. All of them are equal in size. Are all of them equal in size? No. Only 2 out of the 3 are equal in size. Just see the picture. You can see only 2 and 5 that are equal in size. Rest is not equal. Find it out. How you will find it out? By measuring. By measuring. See, this question you will write in your copy. So everyone take out your copy and write it down. Take out your copy and write it down. And you will draw also. So take out your scale and pencil. You will draw also. Take out your pencil and scale. You will draw it in your copy. So this is page number 67. Chapter 5. Page 67. Answer. First I am writing. From that 5 piece of tangram, 3 are triangles. Okay. So you will write, there are 3 triangles in the set of 5 pieces of tangram. Okay, in the 5 piece of tangram. 5 piece tangram. The next question, are all of them equal in size? So you will write only only 2. Out of the 3 are equal in size. Are equal in size. So, and how can you check? We can check. We can check that by measuring the sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle. Okay, by measuring the sides of the triangle, you can see that 2 triangles, they are same, whereas the third one is different. Now to the second question. Second question, use the 2 small triangles in the tangram set to get the following shapes. That means in the tangram you have to use the 2 smaller triangles. So 2 smaller triangles are 2 and 5, isn't it? The 2 smaller triangles are number 2 and number 5. So you have to use this 2 and 5, and you have to draw, or you have to make the following shape. That is, the first shape you have to make the square, second shape you have to make the triangle, and third shape you have to make a parallelogram with the help of these 2 triangles. Okay, means, okay Noreen, I am side, you write it down. See, in question number 2, you have to use number 2 and number 5. Look to the tangram. Tangram, number 2 and number 5 both are triangles. Okay, so you have to use that triangles, and with the help of that triangles you have to make different shapes. The first shape, Fatima, why you are sleeping? Why you are sleeping? You are in the class. Switch off your front camera. Devakanto, switch off your first camera. Front camera, switch it off. Okay. With the triangle 2 and 5, you will make first of all square, then second shape you will make a triangle, and the third shape you have to make a parallelogram. Okay. So this question you have to use a scale and pencil. You have to use a scale and pencil. Okay. Answer number 2. Answer number 2. The first picture is given square. Look to the book. The first picture is given square. So you have to take the 2 triangles to make a square. So you will write using triangles 2 and 5. To get the figure of a square. First one, square. Okay, it is already given in the book. You have to use the 2 triangles 2 and 5 to make a square. Now you will draw with the help of scale and pencil. like this. Not like this. It will be somewhat like this. Yes, Sorish, Ayush, Noreen. This one you have to take the two triangles, okay, from the 5 piece of tangram. In page 66, the 5 piece of tangram is shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numbers are written over there, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From that, triangle number 2 and triangle number 5, you have to take it and you have to make the different shapes. Now, what shapes you will make? That shapes it is given in the book. The first you have to make a square, second you have to make a triangle, and third you have to make a parallelogram. Okay, this is the question. This is the question. So, I am writing it. Sorish, you disconnect and join again. Okay, so this is the first one. You will draw the figure with the help of the pencil and scale. You will draw the figure with the help of the pencil and scale. Now, second one, you have to make a triangle. With that two triangles, you will make a big triangle as number 2. As number 2, okay. So, second you will write that using triangles 2 and 5. These two are the smallest triangle in the 5 piece tangram. To get, using triangles 2 and 5 to get the figure, of a triangle. To get the figure of a triangle. So, just you will take two triangles and you will keep it like this. So, it will make a triangle. It will make a triangle. No, you will not take number 2 as a triangle because you have to use both the triangles. Number 2 alone is a triangle, number 5 alone is a triangle, okay, Ayantika. Number 2 is alone a triangle, number 5 is alone a triangle, but you have to use both. That's why these shapes we are getting. You have to use both the triangles, okay, not one. Now, you have to make a parallelogram. Okay, I am rubbing the board. Now, you will make a parallelogram. This is number 3. This is number 3. The drawing you will make with the help of scale and pencil. So, the same thing you will write, that using triangles 2 and 5 to get the figure of a Parallelogram. 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 So how you will make a parallelogram? See, you have to take two triangles and one will be like this. Okay, like this. Yes, I am not rubbing the board, you draw it. You draw. One more thing you can do, you can just draw a dotted line in the pictures given in the book. Number 1, the square, you draw the dotted lines and make it two triangles. Then number 2 also, you draw the dotted line so that two triangles will be made. And number 3 also, one tilted. Exactly, Shoresh, it is correct. It is correct, exactly like this. Okay. Now come to question number 3. You have to join the corners. Shoresh, you have to join the corners. Now come to question number 3. Which two pieces of the tangram set are exactly same? Find out. Which two pieces are same? Can you say? Exactly same. Which two pieces are exactly same? Yes, it is 2 and 5 from which we are making these shapes. From which we are making these shapes. So these two triangles are exactly same. Write the answer. Sankalan is correct. This is answer number 3. So, pieces 2 and 5 of the tangram set are exactly same. How you will find it out? By measuring them with the scale. So you can write that we can check that by measuring them with a scale. By measuring them with a scale. Now quickly come to the next one. Question number 4. Take pieces 4 and 5 from the set and find out on which side of the triangle you can join the other piece. Now 4 and 5, this two piece you have to take it, and what figures can you draw by using 4 and 5? You have to draw it. Okay, that means how you can use this two pictures, this two 4 and 5 pieces to make different shapes. Okay, now you have completed. I think you have completed. Yes, I am rubbing the board. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4. Just directly I am drawing. Somewhat it is like this. So you can draw one triangle here. This is one shape. Then as given in the book, this can be one shape. Then next, like this you can draw. Then the triangle will be in the bottom, like this way. And some more you can draw. Okay. Listen, question number 5 is homework to you. You will do it of your own. Okay. Try to do question number 5 in your copy. So that's all for today. You join your next class. Bye all of you for today. Yes, Sankalan, bye.